What's up, guys? This is Token Time. Token Time.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Talking Time, your daily dose of crypto news. Today with you, our friends Vitaly
And Enzo! Andrei Viktorovich, say hello!
Hi. The same question, like always, I'm asking you, and I already asked it today. How are you
A
guys?
little behind the scenes, guys. We just recorded a 30-minute, but someone forgot to record the audio. So
Who the fuck is this guy? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Like we just.
How are you, sir?
Oh, I feel much better. Thank you so much. If not everybody knows I was sick last week, and now I really got better. That's because like you prayed for me, for myself, for my health. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Love you so much.
How are you?
I'm very good. I'm signature a very important contract for work on the last week. And
Congratulations!
yeah, thank you.
Really?
And
Oh, sorry. This contract, we were talking before the podcast. Can you share with the audience like how you actually found that contract and what you were doing to get it?
yeah, I make a lot of content on LinkedIn. And I have a hobby to text it texted comments on the random post in LinkedIn.
Okay.
It calls AI because I make a comment who like catch up you on something, and people reaction to add me in LinkedIn and text me like about let's make a call. One of a call I meet after one of book what I read it for 100% is this after a CEO for platform talking about, and he invited me and.
I just thought it was important to mention because a lot of people don't use LinkedIn, but actually that's one of the good things. Because there's less people using it, you have less competition, which means it's a little bit easier to succeed on LinkedIn than Twitter or whatever, Facebook.
Other social media, sure.
Yeah.
But LinkedIn is about like if you CEO, C-level, founder, co-founder, it's 100% for you to find partners. I find here all authors on books or C-level any projects, any company. I can text it. Minister of Thailand, for example.
Oh, the other thing too.
What they do before.
We mentioned is that you, in this with this LinkedIn guy, you mentioned that you have this podcast, like an English-speaking podcast. So I just want to remind all of the people watching, please share with your friends. Share Token Time.
Yeah.
Don't forget, subscribe, follow, comment, and tell us what you expecting to see and what you want to see. Like you try to one like
So okay, I feel good, and I feel good because because the Bitcoin price is back at 91K. And something I really wanted to discuss in this podcast was what are the arguments for a bear market and what are the arguments for a bull market? And I want to have equal kind of thought and care into both.
Two arguments about bear market. We already 1 year growing, and if you see on a chart, it's organic chart, better to go down than go up. It's like if you copied chart from 2015 and duplicate it on new chart, you see it's okay if we go a little bit down on correction. After that we go up for price 150, 117. It's okay. Like for big move, need to like correction. It's the same like arbalete, you know, need to.
Archery.
bow, not arbalete.
Like
bow.
Yeah, it's.
So just to be clear, you're saying that, and in the first bull run, the second bull run, this is the fourth bull run now.
Yeah.
You're saying the shape of the chart is similar to the other charts.
Yeah.
So based on historical patterns, we should repeat that.
Yeah, historical pattern, repeat it. It's
So
cool.
prediction we're not gonna say it's not the top current like that.
No, he's
92,
saying based on
93
history,
it's not
it
the
is.
top. We're gonna move.
No, he's saying the opposite. He's saying based on history, this is the top, and it should go down from here.
But history is cyclic, so
Cycle, yeah.
It should
exactly.
repeat. It should go down. Is what he's saying.
So,
I don't want that, but that's what he's saying.
of course, need to distance for super fast running. It's the same, you know, like in if you wanna to go to some mountains faster, need to like a little bit correction and correction up, like it's step back and 2 step up.
I think if it stays around like 90 for another week or 2 weeks, that's actually a good thing because then it has a real shot at going back to 100 and then surpassing that. If it goes up too fast now, like you said, it's just going to crash.
Probably before Christmas.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Maybe you should stay like maybe a bit lower.
I think that's a good point actually. As we get closer to Christmas, I do think the price will start to go up slowly and then it'll crash.
New year, new highs.
I never meet a situation when Bitcoin go up during the Christmas time. Every time to go down. Every time, doesn't matter. It's bull market or bear market. So when in 2018 I first time to listen about governments US or just like BlackRock want to buy Bitcoin official. I 100% I know smart guy from this company, this asset management company treasury try to buy Bitcoin 100%. It's price around 10k, 20k, 15k, and now it's like good time to sell.
Okay, wait, so this is reason number 2 now.
Yes,
reason number 1 is the chart shape.
Yeah.
Reason number 2 is that the buyers were so long ago and now they're taking profit.
Yeah, of course. Maybe it's what kind of argument about go up, about continue?
Sorry, wait, I want to say there's probably more, right?
Yeah.
I think that the strongest argument for a bear market is the 4-year cycle. Like you said, the shape of the charts.
Yeah.
But actually right now we're right about 4 years and it's starting to go down a little bit.
Yeah.
So like you said, based on history, I feel like the 4-year cycle could continue, which means bear market.
Yeah.
So 3 reasons why bear market. I want to know, because I know you're more bearish than bullish. I'm more bullish. So I want to hear what you think about the bull market. What are the reasons why maybe it's a bull market?
Argument about bull market. Government more deep it in this game and if more buyers of Bitcoin and in treasury like digital gold, it can change the game. And one of argument because an ARC analysis say liquidity come back in December. It's 100%. We can see in on the start of December until to the 20 December we can see local uptrend, really local uptrend to the price 110k, but it's only retest of resistance. We touch this line resistance and go down to
the reason why
16,
there might
65.
be more liquidity in December is for the Fed rate cut. If they cut rates, that means more money in the system. The more money in the system, it's going to pump into something like Bitcoin.
Yeah. It's like a pump it for a sell more highest price. ETF sell because ETF more important than another investor. We up at price from government's money and sell ETF highest price before Christmas and investor.
So I agree, and I think number 2 for me is almost more important is that this bull market, we haven't had an altcoin season. Every other time it went to Bitcoin, cycled into alts, but this time it didn't happen at all. Which for me, it's either it's the 2 options. One is it's just really sad, no altcoin, or number 2, it's gonna happen next.
What do you think about if die? It's never be altcoin season.
It's possible.
Never altcoin C last altcoin C. Altcoin C a season can be with a coin in US market because now US market the first cryptocurrency market in the world. Want you this or don't want, but US market more liquidity and more have a superstars like Donald Trump, Musk and another guys. It's the first country and in crypto. So and the season can be only with crypto US coins.
But see, the problem with this is so either we have an altcoin season coming or we don't have an altcoin season. But the problem with this thinking is that in trading they say never say it's different this time. So for example, the 4-year cycle. Every 4 years we have a cycle up and down.
Yeah.
If we have something coming in the future, then that 4-year cycle is broken. And so that would be, okay, it is different this time. But also if you say there's no altcoin season, that is also different this time. So both possibilities mean something is different this time.
Yeah, of course. Market changing.
This probably could be something new in the market. But
Yes.
as you mentioned that about the Fed rate cuts. So what is your expectation? What is the impact could be on the Bitcoin, altcoins, and
I think what Vitaly said is probably correct. We're going to probably will get a Fed rate cut in December. So Poly Market, I think it's an 80% chance of getting a 2.5 rate cut. So I think you're right. It's gonna start pumping in December, probably December 20th. It's gonna increase, and then maybe 110K, and then probably crash.
Yeah. It looks like go up and down, broke this support line, retest in December, and go down to the 17K. It's okay, guys. It's normal. It's good time to build projects, and here. 3 guys who build the projects on different stage, Enzo 100% know all stage, and like a founder, co-founder, owner, and co-owner, and everyone. And I with really super serious you say good time to build something new. You see AI bubble can be crushed soon, and all AI product in AI industry correctly, because now AI industrial super all-time high now, like a super like meme coin on a high, and 100% also crushed because a lot of AI startups like not like AI because have a couple of strong players in AI industrial can collect all markets, all liquidity. Another AI startup no needed. It's the same happened with .com industrial, like and now you see main players still alive, like Google and other players. So it's happened with AI. It's also good time to build it. Your project on the same when crushed everything and liquidity go to your project maybe, you know.
Well, so this AI bubble and the .com bubble, it's a good analogy because yes, in 2000 the .com bubble burst, but what that actually meant was nothing to do with the technology. It was to do with the investment money. So around 2000, there was too much investment money in websites and it crashed, right?
Yeah.
But what's important to think about is that compare 2000 to today, 25 years later, the internet is actually more used than in 25 years ago, right? And so my point is that maybe there will be an AI crash. Personally, I don't think it will happen soon. But anyways, if there's an AI crash, it doesn't mean that AI will be used less. All that means is that the investment money will dry up. But AI will continue to improve and continue to change everything, even if it crashes.
Just one question. What do you mean by the AI crash? You mean that just some main characters will all market?
The investment will start drying up. Prices will start falling down.
Yeah.
But again, I think it's important. The price, it's like crypto, right? I think there's two things here, right? Crypto is speculation. What is the Bitcoin price? There's also what is the Bitcoin technology. Just because the price crashes doesn't mean the technology has changed at all. Yeah. And AI is the same, where it's like AI will continue to get more and more important in everything in our lives, but maybe the price of NVIDIA will crash. But it doesn't necessarily mean that AI is not worth it.
Yeah.
It just means people's vision and understanding of it may crash.
I got it. Thank you.
So one thing I wanted to ask is like, as a developer, I use AI every day when I'm working. And I'm kind of curious, as a marketer, like, do you guys use tools at all? No, you should be.
No. Of course.
Okay, like, I want to know kind of like what you do.
It really makes your life easier. You just need to know how to use the right prompts.
Imagine
how
these guys,
to talk with the
imagine they
AI.
have a crypto project and they want to use AI project to market their project. Like, what advice would you give them? Like, specifically for crypto businesses, how can they use AI for marketing?
That first of all, you should know that how to talk with AI, because if your prompts is bad, like you cannot expect some good quality answers. Like if you explain everything properly, then AI could be your best assistant, and it will help you to save time, money, that everything. Like,
What types of things are you explaining? Like, what is the actual prompt? Like, what content?
I guess marketing is like a CMM and sales. Look, you make content and sell. It's like about marketing. I guess it's better to split chats your agents with right prompt about like separately. SMM again, sell again analysis, because you need analytics of a different company who makes same. It's a different agent and different prompt and different task, and read it also separately and shared opinion between this agent to find better answer.
You need to manage the cooperation between the agent, because you cannot fully rely on the AI. You need always review control. Like for example, like it's your assistant, and you need to show him, like teach him, explain him what you're expecting, and then you will get that 100% result. And that one of the main things for me, if I'm not happy with that answer, that means something was wrong.
I like this answer, but I want to push a little bit more, because you're giving just general advice how to use AI. But I want to know specifically for marketing, like what do you actually ask? What is the actual thing it's giving you? Not just like, oh, good prompt, good answer. Like, what are you prompting? Like, what is the actual message you're giving? And how does it help for marketing?
How to sell my course.
Well, you said like...
It's always depend you know that the one of the main thing that you, hey bro, imagine that you are professional marketer, for example, we had a Maslow pyramid, so like I expecting from you to get that in the same way the answer as you be that guy, like. And
again, this is more general AI advice.
What the fuck do you want from me?
Resume of this week and prediction on the next months on December.
Let's just do next week, right? So today is November 28th. My predictions for next week is Bitcoin will be, I think not 100K, I think maybe 95K.
95. My prediction like around 100K, but not long time to stay. In December, next 2-3 weeks.
Well, 2-3 maybe.
2-3.
What about next week? Next video.
Next video, yes, price will be maybe around 105K, but we stay a little bit and go down, like maybe.
So that's 1 week is gonna do 10%.
Next week is bullish, 100%, because new months and new opportunity before go down. So and build projects, show your result. If you build, show your result and find some investors, because now a lot of investors, VC company founders, sell of tokens, sell of crypto before bear market. They have USDT, they have dollars. And the pain for investors to sit on USDT or just cash, because for first money need to work, and they have money, they want to invest it. Find some right people, find your mentor, your step brother, and propose pitching, a lot of pitching, visit conference, event, pitching, and find your one step brothers every day.
Bro. Thank you for asking me, guys.
Yes,
what is your prediction for Ethereum? Right now it's at 3,000. Next week.
About Bitcoin, it will be 85. It will go down a little bit. About Ethereum, no.
Yeah.
That's
okay.
We can't we'll see. About Ethereum, oh fuck. So I think it's not gonna raise. Like if it's get something, it will be like maybe just a couple percent. Like, but it's not
up or down, or just
up.
Okay, so right now, I think in last week it was 2,000, right? 2,000. What was the low point?
81.
Oh, 1,800.
81.
Wow, it's really low. So I mean. Yeah, I don't think it will fall that low, but it's possible it goes down another 5%.
Go down, but
80.
Wow. No, that's Bitcoin. What about Ethereum?
Ethereum.
Yeah.
Ethereum.
The lowest it went.
2 and 6.
Okay, so that's actually not too bad. I think it could. The lowest, I think 2.5, 2,500. But I don't think it could go much lower than that.
Let's hope like
What about you guys?
Our praise for.
What do you guys think?
Take-
Leave a comment. Tell us what you think it'll be next week.
Let us know how you do not believe in my predictions.
My prediction next week: Bitcoin 200,000
My
and
predict-
10,000 Ethereum.
Yeah, my prediction in next week we go to the right.
My prediction that Vitalik Buterin will sit with us in the next video.
Yes, he will. Vitalik Buterin, please join.
Thank you guys, it was nice to see you again. Wish you a nice weekend. Love you so much. See you in the next video of Token Time. Enzo, Vitalik, and your beloved
Andrei
friend Andriy. Cheers.